secret to the Helmets, bro. Oh, my dad's doing his introduction with Wilson Fisk.
Make sure you join us tonight for the news at 11.
Oh my god, Peter! Hey, Peter, I'm so glad you're okay. What's going on? What's on the news? Oh no.
For some of you just tuning in, an assassination attempt on the wealthy philanthropist Wilson Fisk
Was thwarted by a young hero at ESU's announcement for their criminology building. The assassin was a hooded man on a glider who was engaged with Spider-Man. But the real hero today is a young high school boy by the name of Peter Parker. Oh man, they used my name? Well, at least they used...
who lives in Forest Hills, Queens.
It was speculated that Wilson
God,
Fisk was targeted
I believe
because
this.
of his convictions of being a
What's
crime
wrong?
lord,
You saved someone's
which is
life. Everyone at
still
school's gonna
open
love
at
you.
Superior Court. Yeah, I just saved the life of the guy who controls probably over 80% of the crime in this entire city. If anything, everyone's gonna hate me even more. Look, you couldn't stand to see someone die. That's a genuine thing, Peter. If they can't see that, then there's something seriously wrong with our school. MJ, thank you. There is something seriously wrong with our school. Oh, hey, Aunt May, Harry suggested that, since I'm gonna be graduating high school pretty soon, that I start making plans for moving out now. Oh, he has this really great place overlooking Central Park, and I haven't seen it yet, but, would it be cool if I move in? Sure, Peter, of course you can. Oh, thanks, Aunt May.
Welcome, Mr. Fisk. I heard what happened. Are you alright?
I'm just fine, Jeffrey. I'm just going to get to the bottom of this.
So this is where the magic happens.
Who's there?
Over 80% of the crime in this entire city, all controlled here. I had a picture differently in my head.
Security!
As I was saying, I have a proposition for you. Let me guess. You needed Osborn resources and he needed yours. When he stopped supply, when he cut you off, you decided to take action. Stole parts of his technology and combined it with yours. Got some fighting skills, found someone who endured the same, and went to ESU and tried to assassinate me. Failed. Now you have a new one. Right? What plan will this be? This plan will actually help us both. See, a long time ago, I plugged myself into Oscorp. The smallest movements that his company makes notifies me. You ever wonder why the performance enhancing formula is taking so long? Huh? You told me you found the key to complete it. More like losing respect for you. Taking advantage of your resources and running away when it gets too hot. You see, after you convicted, he stopped using your resource, stopped testing of the formula, stopped everything, and focused on his nanorobotics for medical fields. Then, when the heat died down a little bit, he started working on it again. Right when he told you he had the key. Is that correct? So, what do you suggest I do? Not you. Me. I suggest we slap him back in line. How much will it cost me? Free of charge the first time. Of course. Men like you go by certain names. What shall I call you until we actually see face to face? The Hobgoblin. Adrian, almost did not recognize you. What are you called? I'm called the Vulture. Huh. Always seemed like you, Adrian. Buying out dying companies always was your strong suit, and not in your own products. One must survive any way that he can. I'm pretty sure my cure are different. Oh yes, and do not kill anyone. He is still somewhat useful to me. I only kill when the situation calls for it. Well, let's hope it doesn't.
Here we are, home sweet home.
Whoa, you were not kidding.
It's pretty great, isn't it?
This whole room is better than my house.
The attic is right above you. You can see me stuck there if you want. I gotta warn you though, it's haunted.
You're kidding, right?
Enjoy the room, Pete.
I can get used to this.
Hey Harry, where are you playing?
What is this?
It's a party.
You lived here for less than a week.
It's for you. Relax,
What is that?
Pete. It's soda. There's no sugar. I know you get when you have sugar.
What are you drinking? Who invited Puny Parker? Who invited you?
He invites himself.
Now, you know you're pathetic when you have to lie to yourself that people want your company. Hey, you're smart. What do I get that you never do? I think we learned it in health class. Last time I checked, that's a really bad
Okay,
thing.
calm down, guys. Flash, get out of here.
Come on, Osborn.
Get out of here.
I'm going to study.
Have fun.
No matter how responsible I am, I still look irresponsible. Hey, Harry. Headache?
A little. Just don't make any loud noises.
Well, don't do it again.
Your Aunt May called. She's coming to check on us.
Why didn't you tell me?
I just did.
God, this place is a mess. Okay, focus on the beer cans. Spider sense. Why would that happen? Good morning, Peter. I was just... Oh my word. This place is a pigsty.
Thanks, Mrs. Parker.
Sorry, Aunt May. Harry had some people over and it kinda got out of hand.
What is going on?
What was that?
Oh my god, Aunt
Oh
May.
my god.
Come with me, the Osborn. Stay away from my friend.
Peter, what are you doing?
Whoa!
Get away from me. Get off me, get off me.
Harry!
Peter!